In this video, we're going to reveal the secret hidey hole of the Gutermann Thread reel.
Now, some of you may know about this one, but many don't. So if you take your Gutermann reel and you screw the base off, you see it comes out of the reel. So you have a cavity inside there. And what that's been designed for is to place your needles. So I'm going to place my hand sewing needles and my machine needle in there, and then put the top back on. And there I have got my correct needles in the cotton reel and the large ones as well. So just screw the top off. There is the cavity, so I can do the same with the needles and pop them in. So you place the needles in there, put the top back on, and there you can hear you've got your needles safely in your cotton reel. So it's great for traveling, and you will always know that you have got your needles and threads in there for when you need them.
We hope you enjoyed today's sewing video. Please subscribe to our channel and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.